You've probably rented a car, but if the time is right for you to rent a forklift, you may be wondering what to expect. Actually, renting a forklift is very similar to renting a car. A lot of the same rules apply, but in a slightly different way. First, if you're unsure of exactly what you need, don't worry. Your local Toyota forklift dealership will be able to help you decide which forklift is right for your application. For instance, if you will be operating primarily indoors, a cushion tire model is probably best. If you need outdoor use, a pneumatic tire model may be the better fit. After you've decided on a forklift, you will need to confirm to the dealership that you have a trained operator. Safety is the most important aspect of any forklift operation. If you don't have a trained operator, most Toyota forklift dealerships offer in-house operator safety training courses. Just like renting a car, the dealership will also make sure they have the correct billing and delivery information and that the billing expectations are clear. It's important that you understand and agree to the billing expectations. In most cases, maintenance is included in the rental fee, but always check to make sure both sides understand the maintenance liability. As with a car, look around the forklift and be sure there isn't any damage when you take delivery. In addition to checking for damage, check for all required safety features and be sure they're in good working condition. Renting a forklift can be a great short-term or seasonal fix. Just make sure you understand the rental agreement and make sure the forklift is in proper condition for the work you're going to be doing.
There are several things that a customer can expect when they're renting a piece of equipment. One of the things that they can expect is the fact that they will be getting a late model forklift with low hours and the lift will be in proper operating condition. Some of the things that the customer would be responsible for is, first of all, making sure that their employees and their operators are properly trained on the piece of equipment that they are renting. Some other things the customer should take into account is the fact that they need to keep up with the scheduled maintenance each day before operation of the lift, doing the walk around, making sure that the oil levels are where they need to be, checking the battery to make sure it's been watered, make sure it's been charged properly. Just some of the general maintenance day-to-day things. On a dealership side, our responsibilities is to make sure that if you need training, that we provide your operators with the proper training that they need to operate the piece of equipment. At the same time, our responsibility is to make sure that this lift is in good running operation. So if a circumstance arises where the truck malfunctions, the sooner a customer calls us, the faster we can respond to get that lift up and running.
For more information on forklift rentals, contact your local Toyota forklift dealer or visit toyotaforklifts.com.